You know that first step, sunlight will be absorbed by the chlorophyll. Second step, understanding this light energy will be converting into chemical energy, and here the decomposition will take place. But basically the decomposition reaction we have studied with the help of electricity, that is only electrolysis water. But in the photosynthesis reaction, the water will be decomposed into hydrogen, understanding, and oxygen by help of what? By help of light energy. So this is what the step 2 which is involved in the photosynthesis reaction. If it comes to the third step, understand. So what is the third step, Ra? As I have told you, reduction of carbon dioxide will take place. Means in the sense of we have a carbon dioxide. Now reduction means they will add the hydrogen from which it is happening in the step 2, hydrogen. So with the help of this only, we used to get a product called as C6
Carbohydrate.
O6. Are you understanding, Amma? So this is the
Yes,
addition
sir.
of hydrogen. What we used to call? Addition of hydrogen, what we used to call?
Reduction.
Reduction. Or removal of oxygen. But here, addition of hydrogen. So that is the step 3 which is involved in photosynthesis reaction. That is, what is that? Reduction of carbon dioxide. Reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen. By whom, Amma? By hydrogen. Means adding of hydrogen or removing of hydrogen? Addition of hydrogen. Is it yes or no? So by hydrogen to form what? To form what? To form a carbohydrate. Carbohydrate like whom? Like glucose. That is the step 3 involving, understand, glucose, and by utilizing the chemical energy. Who is the chemical energy? How the chemical energy came? Light energy is
Conversion of light energy into
chemical energy.
Conversion of light energy to chemical.
Reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrate like glucose by utilizing whom? By utilizing the chemical energy. By
Utilizing the chemical energy.
chemical energy. So that is why if you'll observe very carefully a single word which is common in every step. Who is that? Can you able to guess? Let me see who will guess.
Sir?
If you'll observe every 3 steps, one word is common in every step. What is that?
Sir, energy.
Energy.
Energy is not.
Energy.
Which energy? Which energy?
Chemical energy.
Light energy. Light energy, absorption of sunlight energy by chlorophyll. Second step, conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Same light energy will be convert the water into hydrogen and oxygen. Later, the reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrates like glucose by whom? By a chemical energy which is transformed from light energy. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? So that is the reason why the light energy is present in everywhere. That is the important understanding ingredient for the photosynthesis reaction. So these are the 3 steps which are involved in any kind of photosynthesis reaction. How many of you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
photosynthesis
Yes, sir.
reaction means
Yes, sir.
everybody
Yes,
knows
sir.
that carbon dioxide, water will mix.
Yes,
We used
sir.
to get carbohydrates called as glucose and oxygen. But how? What is the process involved here? Have you remembered here? Transformation of light energy to chemical energy and decomposition of water into hydrogen and oxygen. Again by whom? By light energy.
By light energy.
Reduction process taking place, which we have studied in chemistry. What is the meaning of reduction? Sir, biology, what reduction? Because
Addition of
Addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen.
itself, this photosynthesis reaction itself a chemical reaction. Is it yes or no? So that is why we
Yes,
should
sir.
know here photosynthesis reaction under which type of reaction it is. It is a reduction process is taking place here. Means the sense of we are adding the oxygen. We are adding the hydrogen to the carbon dioxide. That is why a reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen. Then only we used to get a glucose as well as one of the byproduct is what? Extra. One of the byproduct is what?
Extra.
Oxygen, sir.
Oxygen, sir.
It is
Oxygen.
released in which step? Is it step 3 or step 2?
Step 2, sir.
Step
Step
2
three,
is we are
sir.
getting the oxygen as a byproduct. But why can't you write first, sir? Why we are writing glucose first means? What is our main primary use of photosynthesis? What is the main use of photosynthesis? Production of
Producing production of carbohydrates.
That is why food primary product will come first. Next, second.
Glucose, sir.
Understand? That's all. So this is the 3 steps which is involved in that. Please, all of you write it. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Write it, all of you. So now, those who not written, also you write it and observe here. In chemistry also the question will come. What kind of chemical reaction is involved in photosynthesis reaction? What is that? A name the chemical reaction, type of chemical reaction which is involved in photosynthesis. What is that?
Reduction.
Endo, sir.
Is present
Endothermic reaction.
as well
Endo,
as decomposition reaction is involved. Next, as well as absorption of light. So what we can say? Absorption of light. What we can say?
Endothermic reaction, sir.
Endothermic reaction. That is what I am asking. Absorption of heat, not photolytic. Dilipan. Photolytic means with the help of photolytic also involved, because with the help of light energy, what is splitting into hydrogen and oxygen. That is also. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no.
Yes, sir.
That is. So these are the things which is involved. These are the things which is involved in photosynthesis reaction. Now we will see what is the necessary conditions required for photosynthesis reaction. Now, from your side only, you people already know that. We have studied what is photosynthesis, what is reaction, and how it is takes place. Everything I have taught. Now, let me know who will say what is the necessary conditions for photosynthesis. Just let me who will. What is the necessary condition?
Light.
Speak loudly.
The
Who is
sunlight,
speaking now?
water.
Light energy.
Who is speaking?
Light.
Sunlight,
Chlorophyll,
water,
sir.
chlorophyll.
That's all. How many you have taught? Only 3 you are saying. One more thing.
Sir, carbon
Chlorophyll,
dioxide.
light energy,
Right.
carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Chlorophyll,
dioxide.
carbon dioxide, water,
Now
sunlight.
to do the activities, and anyhow you people are in home now. You must do the activity, make a record a video and maintain as a portfolio, because we have a portfolio having marks. So now whatever the activity I will say, request your parents and you do in our home, understanding, and record a video and make an activity, like store like a proofreading for your purpose, self activity based questions from your own. So let us see now, as we have studied the 3 steps which is involved in photosynthesis need not takes place one after the other. Understand? Immediately. So they can take place at different times. You remember, they no need to take place one after one immediately. They can take place at different times, but all 3 will take place. Then only we is to get our required product called as, understanding what we is to call glucose or carbohydrates. So for example, you may people think that all the 3 processes at a time should take place. No, it is not required. Actually, understand. So for example, let us see. If we take desert plants, have you observed desert plants? How many of you know desert plants? Yeah, desert plants if you'll observe, understand. So till now you people see, basically you tell me, is it all the 3 steps are involved at a time in the plant for production of food? Basically, you people will guess same thing. I will also will say guess same thing. Is it yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Is it all the 3 steps are taking place one after one, or else it is taking place different times? What you people will say?
One after one.
One after one? If one after one also, we used to get the food. If not even taking place one after one, understand? Even though they will take place at different times also, they will produce the food. Understand? For example, only desert plants. We have so many kinds of desert plants. Somebody is saying something.
Cactus.
What is that? Ah,
Cactus.
Cactus.
what are the plants you know? Desert plants, you remember?
Cactus. Date plants.
Cactus and all. They will take up carbon dioxide at night. They will take CO2 during night time. During night time.
Night time.
Why? The reason is there. I will say night time and prepare an intermediate product which is acted upon by the sunlight energy absorbed by chlorophyll when the sun shines during the next day. Understand? So they will absorb the carbon dioxide by night time itself and they will make an intermediate product, not the final product. Some reactions will be, some understanding, absorption of carbon dioxide is already taking place so that water is already stored inside them so that some intermediate product will be present. Whenever next day morning, they will absorb the sunshine, immediately they will form the food because daytime they cannot done continuously like normal plants. They cannot done the photosynthesis reaction and during complete daytime. Why? Because desert, the amount of water percentage is very, very less. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. If they will open their stomata, you may heard the word called as transpiration. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes
Sir.
or no? Yes. So what is the
Yes,
use of
sir.
stomata? What is
Yes,
the use
sir.
of stomata? Through the stomata
Sir.
only they are absorbing what? Through the stomata only they are absorbing what?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. So they will open during the daytime because of over sunlight or over heat energy. Understand? So the much amount of water evaporate through the process called as transpiration so that they cannot do that photosynthesis reaction continuously during the daytime. Only they will absorb and store the carbon dioxide through stomata during night time and they will make the intermediate products first itself. Understanding? And later, next day morning, understanding? They will absorb the sunlight energy by the help of chlorophyll when the sun shines during the next day. So that is why we cannot say, understanding, all the process one after one, no need to take place immediately. Understand?
Sir, but cactus doesn't have leaves, sir.
Ma,
Cactus doesn't have leaves, no, sir.
I'm not understanding, Amma.
Cactus only have thorns, no, sir. The thorns, no, sir. No leaves, no, sir.
No leaves. That is for protection, Amma. Because of more, actually that itself acts as a leaves. Because why? They don't have enough sufficient number of water, so they cannot keep more number of leaves. Why? Because more number of leaves, more
Evaporation will.
to reduce that loss of water only. That desert plants are turns into like that. Leaves also converting into like stems. You understand? That is only called as.
Then how do they absorb sunlight, sir?
Because have you noticed it? Green plants completely they are looking green color only. Have you seen it? That bryophyta and all. That the plants which you have seen, they are
Yes, sir.
they are in completely in green color only. Have you noticed it or not?
Yes, sir.
Then means in the sense of what? For them particularly there is no stem, there is no flower, there is no kind of branches and all. Everything will be turned into a singular plants and for protection for the animals and all, they are having a thorns. Understanding? So itself it is having, it will be like this. Have you noticed it?